Hello everybody, this is Sasha Monique Talk Soap and Suds Review. Today I am doing a review of the Clearalif laundry detergent sheets. It deep cleans, is eco-friendly, fast dissolve, no phosphorus. Okay, I'm using it on my dark clothes. I'm washing my clothes in the tub. And you see those sheets there? I'm going to use two of those. So you see, I will be using lukewarm water to wash my clothes. Clearalif is not real soapy. You can see some suds here, but it's not that bad. I like it a lot. And you will see me put my dark clothes in there and, my jeans and stuff. And it usually leave a nice, fresh smell on your clothes. Make sure that you get yourself a brand new plunger. You can get them from Dollar Tree and just about everywhere, but always have a separate one, for your clothes and one for your toilet. So you can start plunging your clothes. I did a lot of plunging in this video, but you only have to really do a little bit and just let your clothes soak. That's the best way to do it. It's easy. But, I like to plunge it to agitate my clothes. Okay, but do it any way you want to do it. So after I was plunging the clothes, then you want them to sit for about an hour or so. Okay? Then what you're going to do is pour that water out. Pouring the water out. Then what you're going to do is add some more water in there. And you can put one sheet. If you're using liquid, put a little bit of liquid detergent in there. If you're using a powder, put a little bit in there. And then you'll start running the water again. Okay? And what you're going to do, see, I'm going to use two sheets in there again. Some people just, after one wash, they will pour the water out, put more water in there to rinse or let it soak a little bit in the clear water. But sometimes I just like to put more soap in there again because I want to make sure that my clothes are fresh smelling. Okay. So now I'm not going to rinse these out. I'm going to let it wait for maybe 5 hours. I could let it wait and stand overnight, and that would clean even more. But I think I'm only going to do it for 5 hours, and then I'm going to come back, rinse this out, and then I'm going to spin dry. I'm not going to show me spin drying because I have a lot of things packed up and I'm about to move really soon. So you won't see me spin drying, but I'm going to show you the results, okay? So it's been 5 hours, and it's time to pour this water out, and I'm going to start rinsing. So you saw that I rinsed it out 3 times. The last time, plunge a little bit. You don't have to do this. And I'm gonna let it set from 30 minutes to an hour. And then I'm gonna spin it out off camera and show you how these clothes turned out. I really like that Clearalif laundry detergent because it's sheets and it's so easy. And somebody asked me on one of my videos why I keep doing these kind of videos. Okay, I have access to wash machines. The wash machines on the complex and also in my home. Okay, so I don't have to do this, but I like doing this because I like to show people who maybe you don't have much money at this time. You can still keep your clothes clean. Okay, so this is why I do this. I don't have to do it, and also it's humbling. You know, anything happens, you still can have nice clean clothes, and it really works. Now, I didn't wash a whole lot of clothes. If I did, I would have let these sit probably all night after I did a little plunging. Let it sit all night, and then in the morning, rinse them out. Okay? So I will come back with the results and show you how my dark clothes look, okay? Hello, so everything came out so clean and fresh. There is a little lint on my items. I'm going to use a lint brush. But I love this Clearalif laundry detergent. The clothes smell so good. It's not hard to rinse out also. Yeah, so I see some lint. I don't want to put them in the dryer this time, so I'm gonna get the lint brush after I hang them up and they dry, and I'll get that lint off. But it's so easy to wash this stuff in the bathtub, okay? It's really easy. You just gotta put a little bit effort into it. And someone said, are you using the same plunger for the toilet? Absolutely not. Because you can get a cheap plunger from Dollar Tree or any other store. And, you know, just use that for your clothes only. I wouldn't dare use a plunger that I use for my toilet. Come on now. It doesn't make any sense. Okay. So thank you so much for watching.